Hello everybody, welcome to today's maths problem solving session. The question today is there are 190 people on the beach, 110 are wearing sunglasses, 70 are wearing bathing suits, and 95 are wearing a hat. And they could be wearing any other clothes, but that's not what this question is about. So everyone is wearing at least one of these items. So the question is focusing on three items: sunglasses, bathing suits, and hat. Okay, so 30 are wearing both bathing suits and sunglasses. 25 are wearing both bathing suits and a hat. 40 are wearing both sunglasses and a hat. How many people are wearing all the three items? So if we do a Venn diagram, and if we have one circle showing sunglasses, one for suits and one for hat, then the common parts between them would show us the number of people wearing two of those items, and the center part would show the number of people wearing three of those items. So if we do that, we get to something like this, where what I've assumed is the number of people wearing bathing suits only is X, or the number of people wearing sunglasses only is Y, and the number of people wearing hats only is Z. So and B is a common area, so that involves people wearing both, not both, but all three: hats, sunglasses, and bathing suits. Okay, from somewhere. So that's the way we will try and work out the solution. So the total we've been given is 190. So what should be our next step is, the next step would be we will try to fill in the parts which are common between bathing suit and sunglasses. So we have and sunglasses and hats and bathing suit and hats. So we're going to fill in the parts where people use two items. Okay, so if we do that, what we get is so people, we know that 30 people are wearing both bathing suits and sunglasses. So the region which is exclusive to people who are wearing both the bathing suit and the sunglass would be 30 minus P. We'd have to subtract the P out. So as you can see, so we subtract the P out. So that's what is the number of people common between bathing suit and sunglasses. So they are wearing only two items. So then the next one, what we do is we're dealing with people wearing both bathing suit and a hat. So if we do that, then we get 25 minus B is the region that would be 20, would have bathing suit and hat. And the next one is 40 people wearing sunglasses and a hat. So the people wearing both sunglasses and hat would be 40 minus B. Okay, so then what we know is, we know these numbers actually. They've given us, that I've been highlighting. So 40 are wearing both sunglasses and a hat. So we can um, form an equation now. So with X, Y, Z, and B, because we know the total number of people, so we can form an equation. So don't be worried about all these variables that you see. In the end, all we need to find out is B, the common part for these bathing suits, sunglasses, and hats. We don't really need to worry about exactly the number of people wearing, with one of these items. So, what equation are we going to form? Of course, we're going to add them up. So, we're going to add up individually the parts X, Y, Z, and P, and then we will add up the common parts. Okay, so what we get is something like this. So we do x, y, z and plus b, and then we add 30 minus b, 40 minus b, and 25 minus b, and we get 190. That's the total. That's what has been given to us. So if we simplify that, we get x plus y plus z minus 2p equals 95. The next step is, once we know all that, the other fact is that we also have the fact where people are wearing sunglasses and bathing suits. Then we can find what is the total number of people using X and B who are wearing bathing suits. And because we have that value given to us, we can equate it and form a and equate it to 210. Okay, so that's what we do. So we have number of sunglasses. We've started with sunglasses because that's first here. So we get, you do y and you add 30 minus b and you add 40 minus b and plus b. It's a bit it's a bit long method I've taken to work the answers out. If you have any shorter method, please do follow that. But however, it's important to explain and understand why you've used that method or done the addition or subtraction. So but anyway, so we get here that y minus b equals 40. So if we repeat this for the bathing suits, we get x minus b is 50, and then we get z minus b equals 30. So you see we have three equations involving x, y, z, and b. So we know that x plus y plus z equals 95 plus 2b. Okay, and we don't really need to worry about x, y, and z. So what we'll do is we will add 2, 3, and 4, and then we will equate it to 1, and then what we get is, so we'll use 1, and what we will be getting is we get b equals 10. So that is the value of the number of people who are wearing all three items. So this is how I've worked out the answer. So please feel free to try it out in different methods, and do leave a comment. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.